our car, which is a Kia Niro 2021 year, and we've just been charging for under 4 minutes. At the moment, the car is charging at the rate of 53 kilowatts per hour. This car's got a battery capacity of 64 kilowatts, which gives rated mileage of 282 miles. But during summer, I get up to 330 miles. So if I was to charge at 53 kilowatts per hour continuously, this car will take roughly about, in an hour it will take 53 kilowatts, and then you will have a remainder of 10k. So it will take about roughly about 1 hour 11 minutes to full charge. But the way the charging works is, as we are charging now, the charge rate is going to increase to about 70, 73, and it should remain at that point for about 20 minutes. Then it should decrease to 53. It will remain like that. It will start dropping. When it gets to 80%, the charge rate will decrease to about 7 kilowatts per hour, and to keep on decreasing, going to 95, 100%, 97, you get about 3 kilowatts per hour, and actually it will take about an hour 30 minutes. So that's another car coming to charge. So in the UK, all our electric cars have got green number plates signaling. It's got a green stick on the number plate signaling zero emission or green cars. Right. We are still waiting for people to join. Now, when they join, we will welcome questions. Welcome question. So, as the most newer cars, they can now charge at rates of 120, 150, even 300 kilowatts per hour. On average, the new cars manufactured from 2024, they take about 18 minutes to get to 80%. Then they will take another 20-25 minutes to get to 100%. But this was some of the first electric cars. So mine takes 1 hour 30 minutes to charge from 20% to 80%. Once again, guys, if you're joining, I'm just charging my electric car, and I tend to go online. I tend to do a video every time I'm charging, and this is an electric car, and I'm charging at the rate of 53 kilowatts per hour. That's something like 53 kilowatts, something like 200 and divided by 53 kilowatts, 53,000 watts divided by 240. So roughly about I don't know, maybe 60, 70, 80 amps, So this is a very, very high voltage charging system. So I'm just going to show you inside, guys. This is a fantastic car. Just going to show you inside. So my car's got normal pedals, just like every other car you can find. And we're just going to turn off a Bluetooth because I'm going to start the car. I'm going to try to start the car, and I don't want the sound to go. Yeah, so my car, just like a normal car, so at the moment it's charging. It's telling me that it will take 35 minutes to get to 80%, then or 1 hour 22 to get to 100%. Reason is taking so long to do the last 20% is that the battery becomes hot, and the charging has to decrease. And also, it's like if you're pushing air into a balloon, as the air becomes full, as the balloon becomes full, becomes so difficult to put extra air inside. So I'm just going to try to. So yeah, when it's charging the car, when you're charging, of course, you cannot start the car, but you can pretty much turn on everything. So just turn on everything in the car. Yeah. So we cannot start the car, but we can turn on everything, and we don't want the music because YouTube don't like music. So we're gonna mute the music. I'm sorry if YouTube adds some music from the radio. Yeah, and let's change something. Yeah. So this is the informatics in IKEA. It's got lots of so it's got EV to check the EV status. So at the moment I've got 38%, and I can drive up to 117 miles, which is roughly 180 kilometers. Then on top here, you can have energy information. So this is same. So when this battery is full, I can get up to 318 miles. Then this electric use, this feature is only available after starting the vehicle. Obviously, we can't start the car at the moment. The energy consumption, this one kind of, okay, I don't want to give you my this is my privacy. So if what EV map, the mapping system is fantastic, but I want to click on it because you guys can see where I am for my privacy. If what phone protection, voice memo, you can talk to the car. Care Connect, then media, so the music from your Spotify or Bluetooth. Variety mode, what is variety mode? Variety mode, set a new password to enter. Variety mode protects your privacy by disabling the informatic system screen pattern. Oh wow, that's something new I'm learning, but I've got no interest to use it, to be honest. And then I've got climate control. So this car, because it's electric, it's got this button for heating. So if I want heating, I press this button, and I've got I have the heat pump. So the heat pump only requires something like 20% energy input to give you 100% energy output. So yeah, something like that. Yeah, right. So we're looking at the car charging. The charge rate has now gone to 74 kilowatts. Can you see? It's now charging faster. 74. So it will remain at 74 for some few minutes before dropping again. Today we just came to charge for about 10 minutes and we are almost done. And after charging for 10 minutes, that will give us about which will give us about 10 minutes will give me about 10 kilowatts. And 10 kilowatts if my car I can drive for 50 miles, and that's all I need today. Because tomorrow I charge somewhere, away I charge at home. Yeah, that's 75. Yeah. Yeah. So if you've got any question, you can ask. Yeah. So today we're not going to open the bonnet for some of you, unless if someone interested in knowing how does the inside of a bonnet, what is there. Well, there's only a gearbox, electric motor, and pretty much that's it. And I've got other things, just like a normal car has. So it is now doing about 75 kilowatts per hour charge rate. It has gone up. And this is the maximum you can get on this car. But the new Kia from 2024, 2023, you can get up to 110 and 110 kilowatts plus. So someone asked me, how much does it cost to charge? Well, BP standard charge rate is 89p per kilowatt. But I've got subscription, so I pay a discounted fee, something like 65p. And that gives me 5 miles. So I'm pretty much paying about 12.5p per mile. Most petrol car engines, they do about 14p, 15p per mile of fuel usage. Okay, if there's no question, okay, you guys want to see the outside, the charging station. Yeah, this is an ocean. It is fantastic place. I wish I could go around. I can go into a field for a nice walk. Yeah, so it's fantastic. It's a field, and that says electric car only. This is